Alright, what's up guys? It's my tech, and today I'm gonna show you how to bypass FRP lock on a Galaxy J4. I think this should be a 2019 version without the home button. So let's get started. So what you want to do is connect to a Wi-Fi. Let's wait for that to connect. Notice this is an internal battery. Okay, we are connected to a Wi-Fi right now. Okay, so we don't know any of this, so we're gonna do a bypass. So the method we're gonna use to do the bypass on this phone is the same pink method. So you wanna use a SIM with a pink lock to bypass FRP on a J410G. Okay, let me type down the model of our phone. SM-J410G, and that's the model. Has an internal battery which can be taken off from the screen. So let's continue. Here is just confirm our device is FRP locked. So let's go back, and notice the talkback option isn't enabled on this device. Don't know why. I tried that, but it didn't work. So let's get started with the trick. So we need a clip. Can use a paper clip for this. Inject the SIM card tray. Put in the SIM, and boom, phone should be locked. Wow. Okay, right now the trick is you should know the pink lock code of your SIM. So I tried the first method of ejecting and pressing down the power button, but that didn't work for me. So I tried several other methods. Sorry, but the pin code did work. So let's try this together. You see, that doesn't work. On some phones you try multiple times and it should work. So let's insert that. Input the passcode, the pin code, sorry. Once you hit okay, you should hit the power button, and boom, we are in. You sweep down notification settings, all notifications. Let's go to our usual YouTube, more about teams conditions, and later the FRP.com and go. So the most tricky part is just to get into the device, and we're right into the device. With this, it's an Android version 8 device, 8.1.0 device, so it's not that difficult to bypass. So let's go right to Apex launcher. I'm gonna download that, allow, and it's downloading. I think that should be done. change, allow, and install it. Boom, and we are almost into the device, but yet we are locked. So our device Android security patch level June 1st 2019, so it's just a year back today. So let's go back, and we should launch Google Chrome, run the things, FRP file again, FRP file.com, yes, FRP file.com. I should download the APK. Okay, we need 2 APKs here that will do the trick. So the first APK we need is the FRP bypass, the bypass FRP APK. Download that. Okay, and the next should be the Google Account Manager 8. So let's download that too. Open. Let's allow that from settings. Install. And done. Okay, let's head to downloads folder. Install the FRP bypass APK. And I was surprised it just opened. I did not. With the Android version 8, it should be this easy. So the tricky part is getting into the device. Yeah, once you're in, you're in. So I'm gonna hide this and input my username and password. So device signing in, and boom, that's signed in. So let's just go ahead and restart device. Okay, we don't need this event, we don't need this, so I'm gonna go ahead to eject that. We don't need this right now. Let's wait for our device to connect to Wi-Fi. Connected. Account should be added. And boom, account added. Do not restore. So this is just a normal process of setting up your device. I don't think this needs any technical knowledge, though some people find it difficult to do this, but it's pretty easy. And boom, We are good to go, all done, device unlocked successfully. We successfully bypassed FRP on Galaxy J410 version 8.1.0 under security patch level June 1st 2019, and it wasn't that complicated to do. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching my video and hope it helps you, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.